What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing one of the top proxies on the market at the moment, and that is NodeMaven. I'm going to run you through their website and show you how to use their amazing services. So stay tuned for the rest of the video so you can see how NodeMaven can actually protect you online. Let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am now logged into NodeMaven. So please make sure that you go to nodemaven.com. I only want you to go to the official website and not any other. So as you can see, this is how the dashboard will present itself. As you can see, the designers obviously took some time because it is really well put together. So on the left, you can see the manage, the user, so you can have your proxies right here. You can see your statistics over the last 7 days. You can change that to the last 30 days or whatever time period you want it. As you can see, your traffic, requests, and all of that. You can have your documentation, which will load up instantly, and then also your proxy settings. So I'm going to run you through how to use the proxy settings, what NodeMaven have to offer you, and why they are actually so great. Okay guys, and another great thing about NodeMaven is that they have a guarantee system. So if your proxy fails and it does not work, NodeMaven will personally pay €1 into your balance or into your account for you to use. And another great thing is if you don't like NodeMaven and you don't want to use it, you can get a full refund on the same day. And another great thing that shows you how great and amazing their services actually are is that 9 out of 10 users actually recommends NodeMaven to their friends. So it just shows you that 9 out of 10 people, 90% of people that use NodeMaven recommend it to their friends. So it's a very, very high rate for people that actually like NodeMaven. Okay guys, so with NodeMaven, you will also get $150 extra tools included for free, where other people's will add it and upsell. With NodeMaven, you will get $150 worth of tools included for free. They also have more stable campaigns, and you will get an ROI increase of up to 10%, which is actually insane. So that is why NodeMaven is actually so good, and they have the best prices on the market, and no one will be able to beat that. Okay guys, so you guys might be asking what NodeMaven actually is. It's a private proxy pool for affiliate marketers. Okay, so they focus on 3 things: high quality ISP, mobile proxies, as well as residential proxies. So now I'm going to go here to the premium rotating or the settings icon, and I'm going to run you through how you can set up your own proxy. Okay guys, so right here is where you can customize your own proxy. So as you can see right here, authenticated, you have your users and your IP whitelist. So you can choose between a residential proxy or mobile proxy. In this case, I'm going to be using a residential proxy just to show you. You can have an IP version where you can have the mixed IPv4 or the IPv6, as well as the IPv4 only instead of both of them. Then you can go here to location settings and you can change the countries. So I can, for example, say, let's go here, Australia. You can choose any region like Queensland, any city, Brisbane, and your ISP you can literally choose. So that is quite cool because they have quite a wide variety of things that you can customize for your proxy. So as you can see right here, you can choose between sticky or rotating. I'm going to be going with sticky, and then you can say custom seconds. I usually do 60 seconds for my IP to refresh. Down here, you will have the HTTP or the SOCKS. So it's up to you whether you want the HTTP or the SOCKS 5. So I'm going to be going with the HTTP. And as you can see right here, this will be your proxy username, the proxy password, the host, and the port. So these are very important to remember because that is what you're going to be filling in your browser. So you can also change your host port or protocol and the number of proxies. So I can say 10 and it will give me 10 different proxies right there. So that is pretty cool. That is how you do it. As you can see right there on the top right hand side, you have the traffic left. So I still have 5 GB. You can add traffic and so on. And if you go back to the dashboard, you will be able to see your traffic and requests as I mentioned earlier. Okay guys, that is a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please remember to hit the link in the description, and if you use the promo code, you can get 50% off and double traffic. And please hit the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until the next one, cheers.